together, working hand in hand. It's easy if we all carry the load. Look at all we can do to build a better world. When you can trust in me and I can trust in you. So put your hands together. Together we can do anything, anything we are. One voice, one heart, one love. Whoa. We're gonna help this city all together now. We make a better story when we help each other out. With peace and understanding, you'll never walk alone. When you can trust in me and I can trust in you. The time is here, the time is now to take a stand and make it count. So put your hands together. Together we can do anything, anything we are one. One voice, one heart, one love. Whoa, put your hands together. Together we can do anything, anything we are one. One voice, one heart, one love. Whoa. One life, one voice. Come on now, shout it out. One life, one voice, come on now and shout it out. One life, one voice, come on now and shout it out. One life, one voice, come on now and shout it out. So put your hands together. Together we can do anything, anything we are. One voice, one heart, one love. Whoa, put your hands together. Together we can do anything, anything we are.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Nice singing.
Oh, thanks, bud.
Have you ever considered the meaning of the lyric, life is but a dream?
Oh, yeah, but I don't think it means an actual dream.
Oh, I guess I take things too literally.
Yeah, probably. Hey, you want to sing around?
Oh, yeah, I love a good sing around.
All right, here we go. 2, 3, 4.
Row, row, row your
wait,
boat.
I'm sorry, do you want to start? You want to
Oh,
start?
sure.
Okay, here we go.
You can start. You can start.
All right, me start.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm starting. Okay.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
Row, row, row your boat.
What are you doing?
I'm letting you start.
But do you know how to sing around?
Yeah, a sing around. We're just singing together. It's a sing around.
No, around is where someone starts singing and then someone else comes in later. So I'll sing row, row, row your boat. And then you start singing when I get to gently down the stream.
Oh.
You get it?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sorry. 2, 3, 4. Row, row, row your boat
Gently down the stream.
No, you start singing row, row, row your boat. You know what? You start, and then I'll come in.
Okay, sure.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat. Gently down the street.
Pinch me. That didn't hurt at all. It's just a dream. Hello everyone, I'm Brandon.
And I am John. Last one.
Welcome to the So-and-So Show.
Yeah, welcome.
What you
Welcome
doing there?
indeed.
What you doing there, buddy?
Oh, I have just some quick repairs on my 6-string ukulele for my one-man band poetry slam jam later today.
Really?
Yeah, nothing a little or a lot of super glue won't fix. My muffins!
Oh, hey, don't mind if I do.
Hey, no. These are for the band.
I thought you said it was a one-man band.
It is.
You can't eat all those muffins. Okay. You probably shouldn't eat all those muffins.
Okay, that's fair. Would you like one?
Yes, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Wait a second. Hold on.
What is wrong?
Oh no. Oh no! The oven mitts won't come off!
Did you have super glue on your hands?
Get him off! I got claws.
It's okay, bud. We'll figure something out.
But it's time for my one-man band poetry slam jam, and I can't play the 6-string ukulele.
Well, maybe we can work together.
But how? It's a one-man band, Brandon.
Yeah, I know. It'll still be a one-man band, but with someone else's arms.
Okay.
Come on.
Sure. Oh, yeah. Hello, everyone. Thank you. I'm excited to be here. Welcome to my one-man band poetry slam jam. Boom! Yeah. For my first movement, I will perform an original poem on the keyboard. And I should reach more to the right, because that's where the keyboard is. To the right. Yes!
Right, okay.
Yes, that's it. Ah, yes, I'm tuning it. Yes, that's perfect. I call this poem One Ostrich Tears. Does an ostrich cry? And if it does it cry with its friends? Thank you. I will now pick up the violin. The violin. Not this. This is a 6-string ukulele. We can put that back down. Oh, yes, that would be great. Now, a violin, as you can see, looks like a guitar. It does, but you don't play it like the guitar. No, I didn't mean to say that out loud. You put it under your chin, like so. Not that way. You put it the other way, the large end with the, right there. That goes underneath your chin, and you play it with a bow, which is to the left, which is also to the left. Yep.
Can't find the bow.
It's further left.
It.
Yes. All right, there we go. Now you pick up the bow, hold the neck of the violin with your left hand, like so, and then we play. This piece is known as peanut butter and jellyfish. What is a jellyfish? It is not a fish. Do you see a fin? Of the tuna, it is no kin. And what is this jelly, you say? Am I supposed to spread you on a PB&J? Maybe yay, maybe nay. Ah! Thank you. We'll put that down right on top of the 6-string ukulele. And for my final piece, I will play a poem without words. I call it The Weight of the Fruit Fly. Honk, honk. Honk, honk, honk. I cannot breathe. There's nothing less oxygen right there.
It's Bible story time with Kellen. Kellen!
Hey everyone! Are those oven mitts?
Yeah, and they're stuck with super glue and I can't get them off.
Nail polish remover.
No, it's super glue. They won't come off.
No, you can use nail polish remover to unstick the glue.
I'll be right back.
Should we?
I'll catch him up. Do you have a Bible story for us today?
I sure do. And here to help me tell it are the So-and-so Show players. Our story today comes from the book of Exodus in the Old Testament, and it's about a guy named Moses. Moses was the leader of the Israelites that helped lead them out of Egypt towards the land God promised them.
Let my people go!
That's the one. While they were traveling through the desert, the Israelites were attacked by one of their enemies, the Amalekites.
The Amalekites just attacked us.
They did. Find some soldiers and go fight them. I'm going to go stand on top of that hill.
Yeah. I don't know how much help that's going to be.
I'm going to be holding the walking stick that God gave me.
Ooh, that is fancy.
Thank you.
So Joshua found some soldiers and went to fight the Amalekites. And Moses, he went to the top of the hill with his brother, Aaron, and a guy named Hur.
Moses.
Moses. Let's see how they're doing. Wait! Wait, they're winning again! Now they're losing.
Wait.
Come on.
No.
You can do it.
Harder.
Come on.
Fight.
Moses realized that as long as he held his hands in the air, the Israelites were winning the battle. But every time he lowered his hands, the Amalekites began to win.
God is giving us the victory. If I can hold my hands in the air, but my arms are just too tired.
Moses, here, sit down.
What? Why?
Yeah, we'll hold your arms up for you.
You do that for me?
We can do more together.
We can do this!
Yeah!
God gave us the victory. You helped me hold my arms up in the air, and we were victorious. Yeah! Oh. I'm fine. Hooray.
The end. Give it up for the So-and-so Show players.
Yeah.
Great story, Kellen.
Yeah, it was cool that Moses had friends to help him like that.
Yes, lots of cooperation in that story. Aaron and Hur, they helped Moses hold his arms up. The three of them helped Joshua and the Israelites. And God, well, he helped all of them win the battle.
Awesome. I think it's important to find people you work well together with, like they did.
Absolutely. Sounds like you guys have it from here. I'll see you later.
Bye, Kellen.
You know, I think we work well together.
Totally.
Yeah.
You know, we made some beautiful music earlier. Hey, did you find some nail polish remover?
No, I did not, but I did find some scissors. Huh? Yeah.
Reveal the question.
Oh, who do you work well with?
Yeah, maybe it's a friend at school.
Or a teammate on your soccer team?
Or maybe it's your hosting buddy at the so-and-so show.
Ah, stop.
Can't stop, won't stop.
All right then. We'll see you next time on the So-and-so Show.
See ya. Up here.
No, they're still sore. Here we go. Are you ready? We have a minute and a footage. We have a minute and a half of footage left. We gotta get this recorded, or if we don't get recorded, nobody will see it. We'll instantly cut to black by accident right after the credits roll. Oh! Oh no!